Hello. Before we get started into today's video, I just wanted to say the ribs you're about to see me prepare are not the same ribs that you'll see me with the finish, although they're done the same method. When I started recording, it was way too hot out. My phone died because of overheating, so just keep that in mind with the next video. I always do the ribs the same way, so there's no issue. I just wanted to give you a little disclaimer. So, I won't hold you up anymore. Hope you like the video. Thanks. I never know what to say, but alright, so today we've got baby back ribs. I'm going to show you how to season them properly. If I could get the bag open. You just take a pinch, you just kind of spread it all over. Just pat it in. You don't do the back because it's a waste of time. Doesn't really get anything there. And that's about it. We're going to use these, throw these right on the smoker. I'm obviously going to season them a little bit more because, but patted them already, so I'm not going to keep going in and out. But yeah, put them on the smoker and see you in an hour or two. Alright, so we're about 3 hours in now, and yeah, we're about to get our first look at the ribs, so let's go. Alright, so as you can see, they're definitely not ready yet. They're definitely not ready, but we're getting close. Definitely getting close here. So I'm going to close that back up, and we're going to check back in another hour or so. Alright, so we are now about 4 hours in, and everything's looking just about right. We're still at 250, which is a very great plus considering temperature control was not in my favor today. So, let's get them sauced. Today we're going to be using Pauly G's original barbecue sauce recipe. So, just lather that on right there. Shoot, that was not the intention there. Make that little go a long way here. Just touch up the sides here. And blammo. Get the back side here, although you can't even see that. But man, do those look delicious. Close that bad boy right back up. Alright, so we are about at the 4.5 hour mark. I just pulled the ribs. They passed the bendy test. So, dinner is not ready, so I'm going to cut them up, give us a little look. I might eat a little bit. Haven't decided yet, but I'm going to wrap them and toss them in a cooler for hot holding while the rest of the dinner gets finished. So, let's take a look at these puppies. And bam. Look at that. Got my knife here. And it's so beautiful. So just cut it right about there. try to hold this so that the camera can see, but I mean, bam! Beautiful looking ribs here. And I've decided I'm gonna eat a little bit. I'm just gonna cut a little bit off the end here, if I can. Because, you know, why not, right? And it's absolutely fantastic. All right, let's roll on to the outro. Whew. I look terrible. Wow, this cook beat my butt. I really wasn't expecting as much issues with temperature control as I did. The ribs turned out fantastic. I can't say enough about them. But so far, this has been kind of fun. I don't know when what the next video will be. It might be pork or it might be this ribs. Haven't decided on how I'm gonna release them, but because I've just been making a lot of videos recently. But yeah, if there's anything else you want to see from me, if you want to subscribe because you like the content or want to see something cool and new, please hit that subscribe button. If you like content or don't like it, like or dislike based on how you feel, and sure to leave a comment or something. Follow us on the PolyG social medias, because we will be bringing some great stuff. I hope, at least. But yeah, that's it for now. Thanks for watching.